just answer the question?
Can you repeat the question?
Just tell me what the studio looked like 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago, this place was a place of nightmares. It was dark. It was so echoey, so loud. It hurt my ears. It makes me sick to my stomach that we used to even attempt to make videos. It made me lose my hair. All I wanted was the clout. Why? I was going.
But that's not what it looks like anymore. And here are just 3 easy techniques that we applied in our studio to make it look absolutely fire.
So the first place that we needed was a quiet and calm workspace. Somewhere we could come to be apart from the rest of the chaos in the house to be creative. This whole studio worked out nicely, but our little workstation here does a lot. We have our Mac Pro 2020, our 32-inch monitor, speakers and everything. This all helps us to eliminate every roadblock between idea and posting.
The second thing we needed was to have a great audio setup. That came to us in 3 different ways. 1, throwing up some sound foam. 2, having a pretty killer microphone. And 3, just in putting a little bit of carpet in really helps to make our sound quality absolutely fire. But what else does it help to do? Well, it reduces distractions such as echo and reduces the sound of someone taking a shower over there, my dad doing laundry over there, and my mom asked me to do the dishes up there.
And lastly, we didn't want a single set studio. So what did we do? We got 3 different types of lighting. First, we got ambient lighting. We got RGB lighting next, so we can change the color. And next, we have our main key light for our subject.
And all of this comes together to make Ambition Tech Studio V1. So if you're interested in learning more about the products that took to make this studio, we actually have a nice little video right over here. But if you never want to miss another video again, you should just subscribe. See ya.
Tiny Q-tips. I used to even attempt to make videos. It made me lose my hair. And then cut to the COVID cut.